Your laptop deserves better than a shaky desk and aching wrists. Today, I'm revealing the top 6 laptop stand for desk that instantly boost comfort, posture, and productivity. Welcome back to the channel. Stick around to find your perfect setup and grab the best deals through the links in the description. At number 6 is TECKNET Laptop Stand. Did you know most laptop users unknowingly strain their necks by 50% more than necessary? The TECKNET Laptop Stand, priced at $31.99, solves that problem with style and practicality. Tested for real-world comfort, its 360 degrees rotatable design allows effortless screen sharing during meetings or multitasking between devices. No lifting, no awkward angles. The adjustable tilt from 0 to 180 degrees keeps your eyes aligned perfectly, while its reinforced aluminum construction supports up to 22 pounds, providing a stable, scratch-free workspace. Ventilation boosts airflow by 40%, preventing overheating during heavy workloads. Foldable and portable, it tucks neatly into bags or desk drawers. Compared with others, this stand blends durability, flexibility, and ergonomic support seamlessly, ideal for students, remote workers. On number 5 is Gogoonike Laptop Stand. Did you know that poor laptop posture can silently drain your energy and strain your neck without you even realizing it? The Gogoonike Laptop Stand, priced at $14.23, tackles this head-on. Tested for real-world comfort, its adjustable ergonomic design lets you find the perfect height and angle, easing neck fatigue, back pain, and eye strain. Built from sturdy metal, it supports up to 17.6 pounds safely, with anti-slip silicone pads and rubber mats keeping your device secure. Ventilation holes boost airflow, preventing overheating during long sessions, while the foldable design makes it ideal for home, office, or travel. Compared with others, it delivers unmatched portability, protection, and comfort. Truly a smart, reliable choice for anyone seeking efficiency and peace of mind. At number 4 is ZMYPPYA Laptop Stand. Did you know that extended laptop use without proper support can silently damage your posture and productivity? The ZMYPPYA Laptop Stand, priced at $35.80, is engineered to fix that problem. Tested for real-world comfort, its adjustable screws let you customize load capacity up to 5 kilograms, making it compatible with 14 to 18-inch laptops. The built-in cooling fan prevents overheating during long work or gaming sessions, while the foldable slim design makes it portable and convenient for travel or home use. With a non-slip base and universal fit, it keeps devices secure and stable. Compared with others, it delivers superior ergonomic support, heat management, and versatility, offering relief, efficiency, and peace of mind for serious laptop users. On number 3 is Lamicall Adjustable Laptop Stand. Did you realize that most laptop users unknowingly strain their necks and shoulders for hours every day? The Lamicall Adjustable Laptop Stand, priced at $33.99, is built to solve that problem. Tested for real-world comfort, its 360 degrees rotatable base allows effortless screen sharing for meetings or collaborations without moving the laptop. The adjustable height and angle keep your eyes aligned, reducing fatigue and maintaining ergonomic posture. Its sturdy, all-aluminum base ensures stability, preventing shakes or slips during typing, while the ventilation holes and heat-dissipating design protect laptops during long work sessions. Foldable and portable, it travels easily. Compared with others, it combines stability, ergonomic support, and cooling efficiency, delivering relief, safety, and peace of mind for focused, productive work. At number 2 is Suptek Laptop Stand. Did you know that poor laptop posture can silently sap your energy and cause chronic discomfort? The Suptek Laptop Stand, priced at $29.99, is crafted to tackle that problem head-on. Tested for real-world comfort, its 360 degrees rotatable base allows effortless screen sharing during meetings or group projects without moving the laptop. The adjustable height and wide compatibility for 11 to 17-inch laptops ensure an ergonomic posture, reducing neck and back strain. Its hollow design maximizes airflow, keeping devices cool during long sessions, while the sturdy metal build with protective padding secures your laptop safely. Foldable and portable, it travels easily. Compared with others, it balances flexibility, stability, and heat management, providing relief, efficiency, and peace of mind for any serious laptop user. Now moving to the last one is Lamicall Portable Laptop Riser. Did you know that working on a laptop at the wrong angle can silently cause neck, shoulder, and spinal pain over time? The Lamicall Portable Laptop Riser, priced at $29.99, is designed to solve that problem instantly. Tested for real-world comfort, its adjustable height and angle let you work ergonomically at home, in the office, or on the go. The upgraded aluminum alloy base ensures stability, preventing shakes or slips, while multiple ventilation holes improve airflow, keeping laptops cool during long sessions. Foldable and portable, it fits easily in a laptop bag. Compared with others, it delivers unmatched stability, heat management, and ergonomic support support, providing relief, safety, and peace of mind for focused, productive work. Turbulence is Lamicall Adjustable Laptop Stand. If you want the best all-around value, the Lamicall Adjustable Laptop Stand is the clear winner. It perfectly balances ergonomics, stability, cooling, and flexibility in one premium design. The 360-degree rotating base makes meetings and collaborations effortless, while the rock-solid aluminum build eliminates wobble during typing. Add effective heat dissipation and easy portability,